KB2MXV, just want to do a little demo on the Contact Manager. I'm using version 2.66c, and here I have my D578 code plug. As you can see, when I go to model and model info, I'm currently testing on band 14. I'm not transmitting on it, I'm just testing. So my code plug is on a band 14. And what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go Tools, Export Data Conversion File. I am going to save this to my desktop. Where's the desktop? There's a desktop, and I'm going to call this the 578 mode 14 test. And I'm just going to save that to my desktop. So let's just give that a few seconds to export the DCF. And I'm on CPS version 1.05A. Well, that's a CPS I'm using here. And there the file was exported. And up top, take notice, it says D578 400 to 520, 220 to 225, and 136 to 174 megahertz. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to say, I'm just going to hit the new file and just let it reset all my data on the CPS. I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to open up the N0GSG Contact Manager, and I'm going to go open code plug, and I'm going to point it to my desktop and grab the file we just created, the DCF file. And let's see, so there's the DCF file I just made. I'm going to open that up right now. I know here it says radio type D868, but what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to actually, let me delete a zone just where you'll see something. I'm going to take my local zone and I'm going to delete this whole zone. Okay, so I've modified the code plug here, and I'm going to hit save code plug. And it says file successfully saved to disk. I'm going to exit Contact Manager. I'm going to open back up the CPS for the D578, and I'm going to go File, Open, and I'm going to change my file type to DCF, and I'm going to grab the DCF file that I just modified with Contact Manager, and I'm going to open that. So once it opens the DCF file, I'm going to go back to model, and we'll see what mode it has set for. It should be set for mode 14, my test mode. Not a transmit mode for me, just a test mode. I'm doing this in real time, so just pardon the bar going across. Okay, so it loaded the file. And I'm going to go to model information, and there it says mode 14. Nothing's changed there. Okay, KB2MXV.